Hello, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can basically connect your Soundcore K20i earbuds to your laptop through Bluetooth. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that they are charged, and then just take them out of the case, okay, so that they enter pairing mode. We're just going to keep them right here, okay. And now we're going to go ahead to our Bluetooth settings and go to add device. Okay. Now it's going to give you three options. It's Bluetooth, wireless display or dock, and everything else. So since these are earbuds and this is the option that it fits in best, right? Because it mentions audio devices and it is an audio device. So we're just going to go here and we're going to click that. Okay. Let's wait for it to show up here. There we go, Soundcore K20i. That is the name of our device. So we're going to go ahead and just double click this, okay? Just give it a bit. Now it says connecting. And see, they have successfully connected. It says connected mic and audio. Uh, it is already connected. You can see here. And you can even see the battery percentage over here. It says 100%. You can disconnect from here. And you can access any kind of advanced sound properties. And if you want to remove the device, you can just do it from here. So it's not that difficult. Just make sure that your device is charged before doing so, so that it's discoverable and that you are able to see and connect to it. Now, whatever you're going to do on your laptop, watch movies, TV shows, listen to music, anything really, all the sounds will be coming through this. So enjoy, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.